Yeah, you're my person, my heartbeat, my slow dance, my Sunday morning sipping on coffee in bed. I know when you know we're best friends, the stealing of my t-shirts, my reason for speeding home from work, my saving grace, my everything I've never known before. You're my person. You're my person. Hey everyone, Blaze plays guitar lessons. Thanks for watching. I'm going to teach you guys how to play this awesome song by Spencer Crandall called My Person. Okay, so super easy song to play, no capo, standard tuning, all the raw guitar stuff that I love. So let me know if you guys have any other requests or songs you'd like to learn in the comments. Yeah, so I'm just going to get into this. Please hit like and subscribe. I feel like every stupid YouTuber when I say that, but it's a necessary evil, okay? So, yeah, please hit like and subscribe so you can get notified when I come out with new tutorials and stuff. Alright, hit the notification bell as well. It'll actually then notify you, okay? So, let's get into it, alright? I'm going to show you, you're going to use 4 chords for this song. It's like, and there's like some of the most basic ones. Also, strumming pattern, super easy. I'm going to show you 2 different ways you can do the strumming pattern after I show you the 4 chords first, okay? So you're going to do G, alright, then E minor, okay, alright, then C, alright, then D. These are like some of the most basic chords, okay, that you'll ever use, and so it's really good to know. Alright, so now for the intro and for the, I mean, really, you could do this with the whole song, but I don't think you should ever, like, hardly ever play just the same thing throughout the whole song, okay? But so for the intro, you're going to be down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, so you're just doing that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Okay, just like that. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, and you'll just do that twice. Then you're going to go into the intro, into the first verse. Now for the first verse, what I would do is I would palm mute it, alright? So you're going to put this part of your hand as close as you can to that part right there, but like right in front of it, not on it, but in front of it, okay? And then you're going to hit the bass notes, so. You see, I'm still doing the same strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay? Now you can, you could actually, like through the song, they do that through pretty much all of the song. Alright, so you could do that, or you could do this. But I think it's best if you do that, the palm muting, during the verses, but not the bridge. And then you do the actual strumming for the chorus. Okay. Now, another thing for the bridge, you're actually going to do it differently. So it's not the same chords actually in the bridge. Well, it's not the same 4 chords in a row, but it is still for that part. I'll show you in a second. But you're going to do just single strums. Okay. Okay. So let's walk you through the very first verse and the chorus as to like where you play the chords and stuff. Okay. So you're going to do. I was looking for a long. Okay. So it starts with G. On I was looking for a long, okay, long is E minor, long time. Okay, then after time you do C. I never found nobody, nobody is D, okay, nobody like you. Okay, then after you do G. I saw you order up at my tie. Okay, so order, I saw you, so I is G. I saw you order up a my, okay, on my tie, so my is where you can do E minor. My tie, then you do C after tie. Suddenly I wanted, okay, so wanted is D. Wanted 1, 2, okay, then after 2 you're gonna do G. I got your name, got your name, got your number. Okay, so I got your name, so after 2 you do G. Got your name, I got your okay, your number is where you can do E minor, number. And then C, okay, after number. And we talked till they turned. Okay, turned is D. Turned on the lights. I think it's actually off the lights, sorry. Off the lights. Lights is D, and then after that you do G. I was looking, so G. I was looking for a long. Long is E minor. Long time. And after time you do C. I didn't know that night. Okay, night is D. Night I'd find my person. Okay, so you can do the same chord progression for the rest of the song except for the bridge, and I'll show you that in just a second. But for the chorus, then I would strum it like this: down, down, up, down, up, down, up, 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 down. Okay, then you're gonna go. My person, person is G. My person, my heart. Okay, heartbeat, and heart you do E minor. Heartbeat, my slow, slow is C. Slow dance, Sunday. Okay, Sunday is D. Sunday morning sipping on coffee. Okay, coffee is G. Coffee in bed. Okay, bed is E minor. In bed, my no. Okay, no is C. No when you know best friend. Okay, friend is D. Friend. The stealing. Okay, stealing is G. Stealing of my t-shirts. Okay, t-shirts. So like T of t-shirts is E minor. T-shirts. All right. Let's try it like this so you can see my hand a little bit better. Sorry. My t-shirts. My reason. Okay, reason is C. Reason for speeding. Speeding is D. Speeding home from work. Okay, work is G. Work. My saving grace. Okay, so after grace you do E minor. Saving grace. Everything. Okay, then after everything you do C. Everything I've never been more sure. Okay, and more is where you do D. More sure that you're my person. And I would play it through once, okay? Or after the first chorus, you play it once. That same chord progression. Now you can either do like this, or you could do the palm muting. Okay, you can do either one. So then you go through the second verse, which is the same as the first one. Then you go through the second chorus, and then after the second chorus, you're gonna palm mute it twice. Okay. Okay. After the second time, then you are going to get to the bridge. For the bridge, you're gonna do single strums, like I mentioned earlier. But you're gonna do C. Look up ahead. Look ahead up the road, and you'll know I'll see you there. Okay, so it starts with C on look. Look ahead up the road. Okay, so you're gonna do C on look, and then when you get to, and you know I'll see, C is D, see you there. Okay, and you're gonna do C on rockin' chair, little gray in your hair. Okay, then D, yeah, I'm still gonna stare, 'cause you're my person. Okay, so that's what you're gonna do. And then I would actually do that. I would palm mute it for the beginning of the chorus, and then I would start playing it like this, okay? And you can just end the song on. That's how you play the whole song, all right? Super easy. Let me know if you guys have any questions or anything, other songs you'd like to learn, whatever, all right? All right, now go away. Shoo, what are you doing here? Why are you still here?